Dear ladies and gentlemen, we welcome you from a high-precision weapon range today, and we're going to be talking about the RMB-93 pump-action shotgun. The RMB-93 has a foldable buttstock for more convenience during the shooting. It also has the magazine for 7 or 6 cartridges, 12 by 70 or 76, depending on the caliber. It's being charged with the lower part of the barrel, and the ejection point is on the bottom, so that it enables the left-right or the right side shooters feeling comfortable and convenient during the shooting. The unique layout with a floating barrel positioned under the magazine enables to depart from the side action to obtain a considerable gain in weight, dimensions and magazine capacity. Simple foldable buttstock increases the convenience while holding the shotgun, and the DEO system ensures safety when handling the RMB-93 with a chambered round. The maximum shooting range is up to 100 meters, and the weight of the unloaded shotgun is only 2.6 kilos. The lightweight advantage, together with a wide range of muzzle devices attachment possibility, makes the RMB-93 a multitask weapon for law enforcement and civil use.